Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good. So let's start today's class, starting from the question number 16 of exercise percentage and application. Its application exercise 7.2. So here, look at the question number 16. A shopkeeper sold two electronics gadget for rupees 44,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 12% on one and a profit of 10% on other. Find his overall gain or loss. So here two keywords have to be noted. Sold means what we are talking about, selling price. This is the selling price, and 44,000 each is written means the one gadget costs rupees 44,000, another one is also cost rupees 44,000. दो गैजेट है तो टोटल कितना उसने पे किया, 88,000 रुपीज ही पेड. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. Okay, from the yesterday's exercises, you all know how to find the selling price. The selling price can be find like, selling price can be calculated by using this formula. Here it was 1, so 100 multiplied by 1 is equals to 100 plus P plus, and here 100 minus L plus in case of loss. So looking at the question, we can find the shopkeeper sold two electronic gadgets for rupees 44,000 each. Here it was written sold, so the selling price will be 44,000. Putting the values in these equations, we will get selling price हमें दिया हुआ था 44,000. लॉस कितना था, 12% का लॉस हो रहा था. यहाँ पे लिखा था ना लॉस ऑफ 12%, और यहाँ पे CP. तो हमें कॉस्ट प्राइस पता करना है, तो कैसे पता करेंगे. 100 minus 12 is equals to 88 upon 100 into CP. Here 44,000 rupees. We will take this fraction on this side. It will reciprocate. 7th standard में सीखा था कि फ्रैक्शन दूसरी साइड इक्वल टू के जाता है तो रेसिप्रोकेट होता है. इन द सेम वे 100 upon 88 is equals to CP. Now deducting this, 44 2s are 88, and it is 1000. Again dividing with the 2, it is 500. 500 into 100 is equals to 50,000. Here is the cost price. तो यहाँ पे 50,000 का एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट जो था उसने ख़रीदा था. नाउ वी विल ट्राई टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द अदर गैजेट. इट वॉज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन दैट शॉपकीपर मेड अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 10% ऑन द अदर गैजेट. इसमें भी कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालेंगे इन द सेम वे. ऐसे इस तरीके से इसको लिख लिया. नाउ टेकिंग दिस फ्रैक्शन टू दिस साइड, इट विल रेसिप्रोकेट. ट्राइंग टू डिडक्ट दिस 11 4,000. 40,000 is the cost price. Now we will try to find the overall cost price. Overall cost price क्या करेंगे, जो हमने cost price 1 पता किया है with the loss of 12% and cost price 2 with the profit of 10%, इनको ऐड कर देंगे. हमारा टोटल जो cost price है वो पड़ा 90,000. अब हमें टोटल सेलिंग प्राइस भी पता करना है. लुक एट द क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे लिखा था एक गैजेट कितने का है, 44,000 ईच, और कितने गैजेट लिए थे हमने, 2. तो 44,000 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इंटू 2. व्हाट वी विल गेट, विल गेट 88,000. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी द कॉस्ट प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन द सेलिंग प्राइस. और ऐसा होने पे क्या कहते हैं हम, वी मेट विद अ लॉस. वी पेड मोर मनी फॉर अ चीपर आइटम. हमें इन द एंड इसमें क्या फाइंड करना था, फाइंड हिज ओवरऑल गेन और लॉस. तो हमें क्या मिला है, ओवरऑल लॉस. कितने का लॉस मिला है, आई विल सबट्रैक्ट 88,000 फ्रॉम 90,000. वी मेट विद द लॉस ऑफ रुपीज 2,000. ओके, look at this question. The manufacturing price of a TV set is rupees 12,000. Manufacturing price means this will be your cost price. द कंपनी सोल्ड इट टू द डीलर एट 20% प्रॉफिट, यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, एंड द डीलर सोल्ड इट टू द कस्टमर एट 12.5% प्रॉफिट. What you need to find is to customer, how much price the customer has to pay at the end. ये बहुत ईजी है. यू नीड टू फाइंड ओनली द सेलिंग प्राइस ट्वाइस. एक बार सेलिंग प्राइस पता करेंगे. ऑलरेडी वी आर प्रोवाइडेड विद द CP, कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. प्रॉफिट 20% का हो रहा है. वी विल फाइंड द सेलिंग प्राइस. द आंसर वी विल गेट, we will put that answer as the cost price. Again we will put 12.5 as profit, and we overall we will find how much selling price we get at the end. 16,200 will be the answer. Okay, so I hope you can do this in your homework. Look at this question. Find the cost price when selling price is equals to 450 rupees and loss is equals to 10%. Selling price is equals to rupees 690 and profit is equals to 15%. Using the same selling price formula, we can find the cost price also. Selling price is equals to 100 minus loss upon 100. I was writing 1 upon 100. वो थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाता है, उससे बेटर मैंने 1 को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करके ही लिख दिया. Now multiplying with the cost price. Here the selling price is 450 rupees. 100 minus loss was 10% upon 100 into CP. All I get is 90 upon 100 into CP is equals to 450. Here 450 into 100 upon 90. फ्रैक्शन को इस साइड ले गए, it will reciprocate and we will find the cost price. Easy, it is done. 9 5s are 45, 50. 50 into 10 is equals to 500. So the cost price is equals to rupees 500. In the same way, I think you all can do this one question. So do this as your homework. Question number 19. By selling an almirah for rupees 3920, a shopkeeper would gain 12%. If it is sold for rupees 4375, find his gain or loss percentage. अगर हमारी अलमीरा 3920 पे बिक रही है तो 12% का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. हमें क्या पता करना है कि अगर हम इसको 4375 रुपीज़ में बेचें तो कितने का प्रॉफिट होगा. इट इज़ वेरी इजी. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट प्राइस ओनली. You will subtract the cost price from this selling price and you will find either the loss or the gain. From that loss or gain you will find the loss percentage or the gain percentage. Easy. So let's start. Selling price of almirah pata hai, gain percentage we all know, cost price of almirah is not known, so we will find the cost price of almirah. Here it is given profit percentage, so we will use the percentage profit formula. This is the formula. Selling price was 3920, 100, percentage profit was 12 upon 100, CP is not known. ऐसे taking this fraction on this side, it will reciprocate like this. Now dividing these two, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12 and it is 0. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, again 2 9s are 18, 2 8 are 16 and here I put a 0. Again 2 14s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18 and here it is 0. Now dividing with the 14 I will get 35. So overall I get 35 into 100 is equals to CP. The cost price of almirah is 3500 rupees. Here it was given if the almirah was sold at rupees 4375. Now check. Here selling price is greater than the cost price. So we are making a profit. Selling price is greater than the cost price. Subtracting these, how much profit we earned? 875 rupees as a profit. At the end we need to find the gain or loss percentage. So trying to find the profit percentage. $875 upon cost price was 3500 into 100. Keeper made a profit of rupees 25% on selling the almirah at rupees 4375.